Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm just going to show you some very simple steps that you can do to speed up your computer. So tip number one, go to search here and then type in update. Okay, then you'll see check for updates over here. Click that. Okay, then what you need to do is click this thing that says check for updates, and it'll just check some stuff. It'll check for a while. And basically what you need to do is install any driver or update that is necessary for your computer, as they can like make drastic changes on your computer. And this has been a problem for me before, so yeah, but it works, I'm just telling you. The second step is to uninstall unnecessary software. So an easy way you can do this is go to the search bar, type in add or remove programs, and then click this. Then over here, it'll just show all the apps you have that you can sort it by like size, for example. And if you want to go even deeper and just uninstall properly, on the top right corner, you'll see programs and feature. Click that. It should open up something like this. And then, for example, I'll just find something like this, and I'm like, okay, I have, what do I have that I don't need? Let's see, pretend I don't need Genshin Impact. Click that. All you need to do is click uninstall, and then do the on-screen steps that it tells you to do. So obviously I don't want to uninstall Genshin Impact, but yeah. Let me just close this. The next tip that you can do, and this will also help your computer a lot, is close the programs at startup. So first, just go to what's it called? Okay, so Control Delete. Okay, yeah, go to Task Manager. Okay, you can also do that by searching on the right corner, but I just forgot the name, or left corner, but I just forgot the name. But yeah, so go here, and then over here you'll just see first of all any apps that are working. So as you can see, like I don't have Teams open, but it still tells that I'm open. That means it's working in the background. I can just end that, and on the bottom right corner it'll say End Task. You can do that, and it'll it'll work. And then the way that you can end programs that are in startup is on this tab. You can see that there's a thing called startup. Click that, and then it'll list all the apps that are capable of doing a startup. And startup basically means that like when you shut down your computer to turn it back on, there might be some apps that automatically turn on, and this slows down your computer. So for example, you'll see all this stuff here. Let's see. Okay, over here I have screen rec. Okay, I don't really need that. And over here it's a status enabled, and to disable it, all you need to do is click it. Then on the bottom right corner it says disable, and it won't start up anymore. Like as you can see, I have disabled like Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Teams, Opera GX, and Spotify, and a bunch of other apps. But like at the same time, I have like Logitech Download Assistant open or enabled, and Windows Security Notification, because those are like important things. Like I see Wondershare Studio, I don't really need that. Oh, I uninstalled it, that's why. But yeah, that's an easy way to do it. Another step is, this one requires some money, but just adding more RAM to your PC. It's not necessary, but obviously it's much better. Another thing is checking for spyware and viruses. So over here, go to the search thing again and type security, or what is it called? Okay, just go to settings first. I kind of forgot the name. I gotta improve my memory. Okay, settings. Okay, yeah, Windows security settings. That's what it's called. When you click that, you can just click open Windows security, and then you can just roughly check here like virus and threat protection. It'll just say no action needed for everything. And then if you want to scan, you should scan like once in a blue moon. Just click quick scan, and then it'll just scan every single file that you have on your computer and check if you have a virus. So yeah, it'll take a while, but it's worth it. So I'm just gonna cancel that now. But yeah, another tip is disk cleanup. So a way that you can do that is go to the search thing and type in storage. Okay, and then you'll see storage settings. Click storage settings, And then as you can see, okay, I have a terabyte thing and I have this much gigabytes free and stuff like that, but this can also be kind of slowing down your computer. So what you can do is you can manage files. So what I really recommend doing is you see this other thing, and when you click that, it just shows all the folders that use a lot of gigabytes. Okay, so I can, for example, sometimes you might be downloading videos and stuff like that, and that'll be in your video files, and you might forget to delete them, and then that'll just take up a lot of space. Like for example, here I need that, and that's why I'm keeping it. Like for example, if I go to documents and pretend documents had like 10 gigabytes of stuff in it, all you need to do is click it, and then it'll like link you to it, and then you just need to delete the files. Look carefully and just delete through the files that you don't need. I recommend doing this once in a while because it really helps out with storage, and you don't have to be in a storage crisis in the future. Um, Another option that costs some money is buying a startup SSD or an SSD boot drive. This allows your computer to start up apps and process Windows really fast. Another important thing is having a look at your Windows browser. Okay, so I have Opera GX. Okay, I'm just gonna drag that up here. Okay, and then Opera GX has really neat features where you can like check what you're doing and how much stuff is using. And trust me, I'm not sponsored or anything. And yeah, but I accidentally once what I did was it has like GX control, so like you can like network limiter, RAM limiter, and stuff like that. Okay, once I accidentally turned on network limiter, and then I like accidentally limited it, and I totally forgot about it. Then after that, like I was watching like YouTube and stuff like that, and it was like super slow. My downloading speed was like super slow, and everything was happening like that. And then I was just looking through stuff, and then like looked and it said network limiter was on. So I turned it off, and boom, problem fixed. Yeah, so that's stuff you should watch out for. And that's basically it. These are just simple things, and they will probably work. And thanks for watching. Please consider smashing that subscribe button, and I hope you have a great time.